Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's tutorial, we shall talk about the concept of the minimal state. आप सबका स्वागत है इस नई ट्यूटोरियल में और आज के इस ट्यूटोरियल में हम लोग समझेंगे और जानेंगे द कंसेप्ट ऑफ द मिनिमल स्टेट. So, the minimal state is the ideal of a classic liberals whose aim is to ensure that individual enjoys the widest possible realm of freedom. So from this perspective, the value of the state is that it has the capacity to constrain human behavior and thus to prevent individuals encroaching upon the rights and liberties of others. So the idea behind or the concept behind the concept of the minimal state is that the minimal state is basically the ideal state in a very classical form, in a very classical liberal form, where the entire aim of such state is to provide the widest possible space of freedom or widest possible realm of freedom for the individual. That means in such state, the individuals have all kinds of freedom, all kinds of liberty. So therefore, from this perspective, the question is, what is the value of the state? So if the individual have all sort of a freedom, if individual have all sort of liberty, then what is the role of the state? So the value of the state in this scenario is basically to constrain human behavior, and only in such situation if any other individual began to encroach into or upon the rights and liberties of others. So the minimal role which state will play here in this scenario is basically that they will control the human behavior only if any other human being or an individual began to encroach upon or began to interfere or disturbs someone else's rights or liberties of others. So in minimal state, the state role is very minimal. That is the concept which we need to understand. जब हम मिनिमल स्टेट कंसेप्ट के बारे में बात करते हैं या फिर कुछ समझने की कोशिश करते हैं, तो हमें ये समझना चाहिए कि ये जो कंसेप्ट है उसका एक ही एम है कि जो इंसान उस स्टेट में रहते हैं, सिटीजन्स बेसिकली, उनको बहुत ज़्यादा फ्रीडम हो, फ्रीडम इन अ वेरी वाइडेस्ट पॉसिबल, मतलब इतनी ज़्यादा आज़ादी हो कि वो कुछ भी चाहे, कुछ भी करना चाहे वो कर सकते हैं. एंड ऑब्वियसली ये जो फ्रीडम दिया जाता है उन इंडिविजुअल्स को इन सच स्टेट, एज्यूमिंग दैट इंडिविजुअल्स नोज देयर लिमिटेशंस एज वेल. सो यू कैनॉट एक्सपेक्ट, ऐसे सिचुएशन को हम एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते हैं जहाँ पर कोई लिमिटेशंस ना हो. लिमिटेशंस ऑब्वियसली है, लेकिन अगर इंसान अपना राइट्स, अपने रेगुलेशन, अपने ड्यूटीज़ को समझते हैं तो उन सिटीजन्स को कंट्रोल करने की ज़रूरत नहीं होती है ज़्यादातर. सो देयरफॉर इस सिचुएशन में जहाँ पर जो कंसेप्ट ऑफ मिनिमल स्टेट है, वहाँ पे स्टेट का रोल क्या रहेगा? सो स्टेट का रोल बेसिकली वेरी मिनिमल रहता है, क्योंकि स्टेट को पता है कि जो इंसान इस स्टेट में रहते हैं वो वेरी समझदार है, उनको अपनी राइट्स, ड्यूटीज़ और लिमिटेशंस के बारे में पता है, अच्छे सिटीजन्स है. इन शॉर्ट, दे विल नॉट क्रिएट प्रॉब्लम फॉर द स्टेट. बट स्टिल द मिनिमम वैल्यू ऑफ द स्टेट इन सच सिनारियो जो रहता है कि अगर कोई भी इंसान किसी और के राइट्स या किसी और के लिबर्टी को हानि करता है या फिर उसको इंटरफेयर करता है या मेडलिंग करता है, तभी स्टेट जो है वो उसका बिहेवियर को कंट्रोल करेगी. सो इन शॉर्ट, मिनिमल स्टेट में स्टेट का रोल बहुत लिमिटेड होता है, ओनली टू प्रोटेक्ट other individual from other human being whenever if that human being encroach upon the rights and liberty of other person. So I hope you got the first aspects of this minimal state clear. Moving on, The core idea behind the minimal state is that the government should be limited to protecting individuals and their property rights from violence, theft, and fraud. The core idea of such minimal state, as we talked about, or the government, is limited. So government role or government responsibility is limited only to protect individual and their property rights. And from what they need to protect their individual and property rights, basically from violence, theft, and fraud. So if there are violence, if there are theft, if there are frauds, that is where state intervene and protect the individual rights, liberty and their property. सो जैसे हम बात कर रहे थे कि जो मिनिमल स्टेट का कंसेप्ट है, वहाँ पर जो कोर आइडिया है बिहाइंड दिस हैविंग द आइडिया ऑफ मिनिमल स्टेट इज़ दैट जो सरकार होती है उसका जो पावर रहता है वो लिमिटेड रहता है, और ये जो लिमिटेड पावर है वो भी ज़्यादातर यूज़ होता है टू प्रोटेक्ट इंडिविजुअल एंड देयर प्रॉपर्टीज़ बेसिकली एंड प्रॉपर्टी राइट्स फ्रॉम वायलेंस, थेफ्ट एंड फ्रॉड. So this is very a different concept, and it's very difficult to have in today's 21st century. We don't have practicing minimal state as of today, I would say, right? Because man is not that supposed to be who or the one who would follow rules and regulation. In fact, we have the reverse scenario. Man always will find a way out to break the rules and regulation, and that's how the situation emerges in today's politics. Anyway, so therefore the core idea once again behind the minimal state is that the government should limit to basically protecting only individuals and their property rights from violence, theft and fraud. So this typically includes maintaining police force, a judicial system and a national defense. So therefore when we talk about the minimal role of the state basically talks about having a police force to maintain rules and regulation and order in society, having a judicial system in order to give justice to the people, and maintain the national defense in a way to protect the minimal state. So इसीलिए जो मिनिमल स्टेट का जो कंसेप्ट है वहाँ पर जो स्टेट है वो बेसिकली एक पुलिस फोर्स को मेंटेन करती है ताकि आसानी से रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन, लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को मेंटेन किया जाए स्टेट में. एक जुडिशरी सिस्टम भी होगी जहाँ पर जुडिशरी न्याय करेगी, और एक नेशनल डिफेंस भी रहेगा जहाँ पर स्टेट को प्रोटेक्ट किया जाएगा फ्रॉम एक्सटर्नल थ्रेट से. सो बियॉन्ड दीज बेसिक फंक्शंस द गवर्नमेंट शुड रिफ्रेन फ्रॉम इंटरवीनिंग इन द लाइव्स ऑफ द सिटीजन्स, thus allowing a maximum individual freedom and personal responsibility. So by doing this typically, or by doing this or maintaining minimum sort of a presence in a society, in a state by the government, therefore government should refrain from interfering or intervening into the lives of the citizens. And by doing this, state or the government basically allow maximum individual freedom and personal responsibility. और इसीलिए ये जो कंसेप्ट है मिनिमल स्टेट, वहाँ पर सरकार का जो दायरा रहेगा या फिर सरकार का जो कानून व्यवस्था रहेगा, सरकार का जो इंटरवेंशन करने का जो तरीका रहेगा वो बहुत लिमिटेड रहेगा, और सरकार ज़्यादातर सिटीजन्स के लाइफ में इंटरफेयर नहीं करेगी. जितना चाहे हो सके उस सिटीजन्स को और इंडिविजुअल को आज़ादी मिलेगी, फ्रीडम मिलेगा, और ऑब्वियसली एक पर्सनल रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी रहेगी उस इंडिविजुअल की. And this is very important point to understand, that if government is not intervening in your citizen's life or in your personal life only on a pretext that you understand your responsibility, अगर सरकार आपके लाइफ में इंटरवीन नहीं कर रही है, इसका मतलब एक ही है कि सरकार को पता है कि आप अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को सेटिस्फाई करोगे, आप अपने रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को डिलीवर करोगे. अगर ऐसा सिचुएशन है, सो ऑब्वियसली स्टेट विल नॉट इंटरवीन इन योर पर्सनल लाइफ और गवर्नमेंट विल नॉट इंटरवीन इन योर पर्सनल लाइफ, क्योंकि सरकार को भी पता है कि आप अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी को सही ढंग से प्रैक्टिस करोगे या फिर सही ढंग से उसका निर्वहन करोगे. So therefore, the state, in short, is merely a protective body, its core function being to provide a framework of a peace and social order within which citizens can conduct their life as they think best. So therefore, end of the day, when we talk about state, state is merely a protective body, as I said, with a minimal role to play. Its core function is being to protect the framework of that peace, maximum framework of peace and maximum freedom for the people, and social order within which citizens can conduct their lives as they think the best. So that shows that in the minimal concept of the state, state does not, or government does not want to intervene in the public life. So to conclude, end of the day, what can we summarize? So at the end, the minimal state has three core functions, right? First, the state exists to maintain domestic orders. जैसे हमने बताया कि state का जो core value है या जो फिर core role है, वो जो role है, जो value है state का, वो basically to maintain domestic order. Domestic order को maintain करना एक बहुत important role है state का in minimal state concept. Second, it ensures that contracts or voluntary agreement made between the private citizens are enforced. And third, it provides protections against external attacks. So these are the three major core value or functions of a state in a concept of minimal state, and therefore thus the institutional apparatus of the minimal state is thus limited to a police force, having a police force to protect the state, court system as we discussed about, which is very important to give justice, and a military of some kind, so that state can also be protected from external threats. So therefore, the classic example of such state, which probably may have been there for some time in history, 19th century, is actually the United States of America and United Kingdom during the period of early industrialization in the 19th century. So there are only two such examples where the idea of a minimal state, where state interference in the individual life was minimal, and this minimal role was only on a pretext of understanding that individual knows their rights, individual knows their duty, they knows the limitations, and they would function or they would deliver everything to the state as they are expected. So this is all about the idea or the concept of minimal state, and in the next slide we'll talk about quickly the important features which actually define the idea and the concept of minimal state.